Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a single, synced note so everything saves across devices. Open Notes on iOS 18, tap the New Note button and pick a folder or make a fresh one. This organizes content and prevents duplicates. Once done, make sure iCloud syncing for notes is enabled in settings so edits appear everywhere. This avoids losing changes. You'll start typing, paste content, or use scanned documents. Each choice affects searchability and attachment handling, so pick the method that fits your workflow. Next, you structure notes for fast retrieval and clear tasks. Use headings and checklists to separate ideas and create smart folders that gather tags or criteria automatically, because that saves time later. Once done, attach photos, scans, PDF, or make inline drawings. Those media types are indexed for search, which is why embedding them helps. Make tags like hash meeting or hash recipes and apply multiple tags for cross-referencing. Then use the filter and sort options to narrow results quickly when you need something specific. Finally, you finish by sharing or securing the note depending on needs. Share a note with collaborators for real-time edits, or lock it with Face ID to protect sensitive content. This balances access and privacy. Once done, check recently deleted within 30 days to recover accidental deletions, and export or duplicate a note before major edits. If syncing or updates stall, make sure iCloud Notes is toggled off and on. Sign out and back into iCloud, then restart the device. That usually resolves persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.